Hey, welcome back to Life Tips. I'm Dr. Manju. You can learn health-related evidence-based life tips from this channel. Let's move on. Today, we have an exciting topic that will revolutionize the way you think about your diet and exercise routine. Did you know that improving your diet can have the same benefits as taking 4,000 extra steps per day? That's right. Let's dive into the fascinating research published in the European Journal of Preventive Cardiology. This study reveals that adopting a healthier diet can significantly enhance your fitness level, just like adding those extra steps to your daily routine. The research team discovered that a well-rounded diet positively impacts cardiorespiratory fitness, which is a measure of your body's ability to use oxygen during exercise. It's not just about weight loss, it's about the overall health of your heart, lungs, blood vessels, and muscles. These findings provide compelling evidence that a better diet can lead to improved fitness levels. In fact, the effect of upgrading your diet is similar to the benefits of walking an additional 4,000 steps each day. It's truly remarkable. So, what does a healthier diet look like? Add a comment in the comments section. Okay, we will move on. Experts suggest starting with a Mediterranean-style diet that includes fresh, whole foods, and minimizes processed foods, red meat, and alcohol. This type of diet is known for its heart-healthy properties and can also reduce the risk of dementia and cardiovascular diseases. Incorporating a Mediterranean-style diet is a fantastic step toward better health. However, it's important to remember that diet should not replace physical activity. Even short bouts of walking throughout the day can reduce blood pressure, improve blood sugar levels, elevate your mood, and boost cognitive function. So, keep moving. Eating well and staying active go hand in hand. A healthy diet provides the energy needed to perform daily tasks and enjoy various activities. It's not only marathon runners who benefit from a nutritious diet, but everyone who aims to feel and perform better. The Mediterranean diet, in particular, is beneficial for individuals predisposed to hypertension, diabetes, or heart disease. Now that we know the benefits of a healthier diet, let's explore how we can incorporate it into our daily lives. Here are some simple tips. Tip number 1. Switch to olive oil. Use olive oil instead of butter or vegetable oil when cooking. It's healthier for your blood pressure and cholesterol. Tip number 2. Cook from scratch. Opt for fresh, basic ingredients rather than processed foods. This way, you have more control over salt and sugar intake. Tip number 3. Choose quality ingredients. Invest a bit more in higher quality ingredients, such as fresh tomatoes, to enhance the taste and nutritional value of your meals. Tip number 4. Grill instead of fry. Grilling meats and fish helps reduce saturated fat content. Plus, leaner cuts like chicken breast are perfect for grilling. There you have it. By improving your diet, you can enjoy the benefits of an extra 4,000 steps per day. Remember, it's not about drastic changes but making small, sustainable improvements. Embrace the Mediterranean-style diet, stay active, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Stay tuned with Life Tips for more exciting health tips and discoveries. So what do you think about today's clip? Add a comment in the comments section. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and keep in touch with Life Tips. I'm Dr. Manju. Make sure you don't miss any of our videos. Turn on notifications and click the bell icon to be alerted as soon as we publish new content. This way, you'll be the first to know when we share important information and insights that can help you stay healthy and informed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this information useful. Be sure to keep in touch with Life Tips for more health and wellness topics. I'll see you in the next video.